My girls! It's burning hot! So many fierce storms! Oh no! Another desert! This is it! A pyramid with a secret chamber! Go! The destination is near! It's been a long time since someone cleaned this place. And here's the box! Whoa! I've been looking for you for so long! A skeleton hand is holding it. It worked! Gotta go home! Dad is back! I'm home! Girls, you are so grown up! Daddy, where have you been? What did you bring? Nothing special. Whatever. It has nothing to do with you. No more questions. I want to know. It would be better to hide the treasure in a safe. Aren't you curious? Done. Now you can open the box. Yay! What? It's empty. We need the safe. Watch out, Ashley! Open up! Hey, easy! I'm trying to break the lock. It's useless. You opened the safe. Whoa! Nice! Jewelry for both of us. Shape wire into an ear cuff. Decorate it with a chain and a star. Make ear cuffs for the moon and sun. Whoa! Look at us! I'm a star! I'm the sun! And I'm the moon! Another party! A party! Yay! A party? Where? My head! This star will come in handy. We all need to add some gloss. Cover the cap of a container with air-dry clay. Shape a sun. Wait for it to harden and paint it gold. Apply a layer of polish. Mix makeup glitter with melted Vaseline. Fill the container with it. Make lip gloss for each sister. For you and you. What is it? Thanks! Look at that glow! I like it! More glitter! I'll fix my hair and we're ready to party! It's bedtime! I love my bed so much! Sweet dreams, sisters! Ashley, stop glowing! I'm trying to sleep here! Fine! I'll use magic to make a sleep mask for myself. Create a starry sky and constellations on a fabric base. Use fabric paints. Decorate with stones. Add another layer and sew an elastic ribbon on. This is much better! Where is this light coming from? Enough! Take your rays away! Sorry! I got it! What do I go for today? This is too boring! I'm tired of that! I know! There are so many stars in the sky! I'll take one! And it will make a great accessory! Make a choker out of fabric ribbons and a chain. Attach accessory findings. Thank you, Star Magic! Where do we begin? Dresses! That way! Sisters! This shade suits me! Freeze! This is a robbery! What? How rude! Give me all your money! Uh-huh! You wish! Let's use our magic! Magic? You're kidding! Oh no! You can't trick me! A spare gun! Not a chance! More shoes? When will it stop? Whoa! I made a perfect shoe! It's flawless! And the size is great! I love it! Lillian got so happy she fell apart! We gotta put her back together! I have a bag! Make a base for a fanny pack out of clear plastic. Fasten it on a belt and sew the edge. Put star glitter in the section on top. Decorate it with foam paper and add chains. All done! This is so hard! Oh, I got asked out! I'm on my way! Gotta get my bag, but it's boring! Sharon's bag! Star and moon are a great match! I'll borrow it for the night. Wrap a cardboard moon in foam paper and attach beads to it. Make 2 pieces. Connect them with a strip of foam paper so you get a bag. Add a chain handle. Of course! Don't touch my stuff! But she uses my stuff all the time! Thank you, Sharon! Hi, Colin! Am I late? No! I'm just early! You look dazzling! Thanks! Hi, Colin! Hi, sis! Oh no! Lip gloss? Lillian, did you use my stuff? I asked you not to! I should leave! Colin, don't go! Sharon always ruins everything! I need sunglasses! Whoops! Dad! Would you fix them? I'll try. Hold the book. Let's see. So interesting. Tape never lets me down. Fire! Sorry, Dad. I got carried away reading. Thank you for the sunglasses, though. These necklaces look so good on us. You're wearing my accessories. We wanted to try them on. How dare you touch my stuff? Greedy! Dad! I need to hide it better. Some star magic can help me. And a box with a secret bottom is ready. Cut a star-shaped base out of cardboard and foam paper. Shape box sides and put in a jewelry cushion. Attach a cap. Lillian is gone, but the jewelry is still here. There's nothing. Okay, sis. My trick worked. They didn't find anything. What is that? Come on, give me the jewelry, now! But Dad! Fine, here! Oh no, our superpowers! We are back to being normal girls. Dad, please, give us the jewelry. We used our powers for a good cause. I found the lost dog. She was scared and alone. And I helped her get back to her owner. They were so happy. Not bad. And I saw a girl break her phone. So I had to fall. Because when you wish upon a star, it'll come true. And the girl got a new phone. Good job. And I arranged a free tanning salon for everyone. Great! You have a lot to be proud of. Here, I have something for you. You all get your own power pins. Ashley, Lillian, Sharon. Cut shapes out of felt. Add stones, beads, and rhinestones for decoration. Attach a pin back. Thank you, Dad! Our superpowers are back! Yay!